come to get me. I've got plenty of warning. And look at this. It's a mini wireless security camera. It works off a 9-volt battery. I'm going to place these around my perimeter. My tiny security cameras claim to transmit their picture up to 60 meters, so they're perfect for home security. They work in conjunction with a portable wireless monitor. Unlike that box, I haven't gone far yet. But if everything went to plan, I wouldn't have to exert myself as well. Just see the place where we all dropped off. I've got a very simple plan that just involves this, a smartphone. I remember all the technology I need to evade capture in this single handset. Since some tech we haven't taken for granted in our phones, being the stuff of dreams for spies and special forces just a decade or two ago. We'll start by all reinforcements. I got hold of a free Android application which uses GPS to plot your position and finds the nearest taxi service to where you are at any given time. Well, I don't think I think that'll be far too conspicuous under the circumstances. Parrot's cars, that sounds better. Now, there's also map attention application to find the nearest road. Right, let's call them. Yes, I'd like a taxi to Coppice Lane. See you there, how long? 5 minutes. Got that one before. We were still hours away from sundown, and things were about to get a lot harder. Taxi for Bentley!
Yeah, John, I'm not cheating!
I call it initiative. Isn't it amazing how the smartphones have become at telling you where you are, the way the GPS interacts with the locations when you get the right.
Nico, you were amazing, but tell you what though, I was absolutely terrified waiting for them to close the doors, knowing they were somewhere in those woods.
Yeah, but being a sitting duck, even though I had my perimeter safely marked out, ready for them to trip the alarms, it was really awful. But the question is, will any of us make it to sundown?
Han har nok superstjerne for i dag.
Right, now it's time for this week's top 5. And get ready, because it promises to get hot and steamy.
Hot and steamy. Well, it is hot and steamy, is it? It's the top 5 cows, but not in that way. You better than that. Oh, come here.
I sourced a selection of the latest kettles on the market to test out, from ones with elaborate LED displays to tricky models with temperature controls. I was ready to get hot under the collar in the name of gadget testing. On average, us Brits boil the kettle 4 times a day. Now that, my friends, is a lot of boiling. So, what you want is a kettle that boils quickly, that's energy efficient, and also, obviously, it's got to look good. So, I set to work, and my first test was a crucial one. Speed of boiling. How long it took each kettle to boil 1 litre of water. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. And then to boil just 1 cup. 38 seconds for a cup. I also tested the overboil of each kettle.
Vi bare 8 stykker i klassen min da. Det er litt rart.
Come on. If the kettle carries on heating needlessly after the water's boiled, it not only fills the kitchen with steam, it also wastes electricity. Plus, I was listening out for noise issues. It's starting to get this crescendo as it starts to boil. And monitoring energy consumption as well as checking out some of the more innovative features. This spaghetti Vera kettle's got this gorgeous little control panel which is embedded in the handle, and it allows you to change the temperature. So, for example, if you're having a herbal tea, you might not want it to be as hot as, I don't know, a cup of coffee. After eliminating the slowest boil models, I was down to 10 and looked at the other factors like ease of use and, of course, those all-important looks. Finally reached my top 5. At number 5, it's the DeLonghi Icona. It boils a litre of water in a very respectable 2 minutes 25 seconds with a 9-second overboil and a reasonable power consumption. Just look at it. It's high design, but in a good way. I think it's absolutely beautiful. In my test, it boiled in a respectable 2 minutes 30. However, the quickest overboil power consumption on top 5. It's got a really useful temperature gauge, but what I love about this are the compartments. So you only boil the water that you need to. So by pushing down on the top, you can transfer the required amount of water from the main reservoir into the boiling chamber. Nice. It's the T-Bar Cup Deluxe. This heats your water just 1 cup at a time. In our test, it did so in only 26 seconds. If you're from a big family, then this might not
Thank you.